Chimp with a limp. Hooray! Sings Chimp. I'm off to play. I'll swing and slide and ride all day. He nears the gate. Then he hears,
Wait!
it's Cheetah with a heavy crate.
Can you help me haul this home? It's hard to heave it on my own.
But Cheeky Chimp pretends to limp. I'm sorry, I'm a limping chimp.
You are limping? Chimp? What did you do?
You won't believe me, but it's true. I caught some pirates stealing gold. I thought them I was feeling bold. I tripped and slipped upon the deck. One slung a hook around my neck. They made me walk the plank, you see. And well, I fell into the sea. I almost drowned. Then it went dark. I found I was inside a shark. Great joke, croaks frog, some tail. It was a shark, says Chimp or whale. It gave a bird. I shot out. Smack! And landed in a black yak pack. I had a hunch I'd be their lunch. They looked a hungry munching bunch. I ran until I reached my door, battered, bruised, and so sore. Frog frowns. I am sure you are okay. I saw you on your way to play.
You have no lip, Chimp.
Cheetah growls.
Am I a chump?
Now Cheetah scowls.
You cheating Chimp?
The chase is on. Hooray! I'm fixed. My limp is gone. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.